What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm right here where I left off on the stationery aisle, and I'm thinking about going up to the front of the store to see what new back to school items we might have. But I'm actually finding a lot of new pens here. We have these really bright gel rollers from ProMarks. They definitely look new. We have another variety up here as well. Gel pens, my favorite. We also have these quick drying ink liquid gel pens by Pentel in purple and blue and also pink. We have bags of Bic pens. We have Bic bright liners. Ooh, these are definitely new this year. The Just Rights low viscosity ink. Even more Paper Mates up here. These are so cute, aren't they? The mini composition books. We have Lisa Frank sticker books, even more composition books and notebooks here. Okay, let's head up to the front of the store. Which way should we cut through? Let's cut through this way. And once again, yes, I have somewhat of a struggle cart. Ooh, the tempera watercolor paint. A bag of the little slime balls, styrofoam balls, because yes, once again, slime is super popular. I gotta go ask my friend over there that stocks. I gotta ask her if she's seen the poppets because I would really love to see them. And I'm hoping to catch a glance of them. Ooh, look at the acrylic gems. Yes, you guys, you heard right. Dollar Tree has $1 poppets if you can find them. I believe there's a unicorn, a pineapple, a heart, a square. There's a variety of them. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so pretty. I really like these acrylic gems. They're like really, really pretty. I just want to play with them. Sands and pebbles. If you want to make your own Zen garden, wax melts. If you guys are into wax melt burners and candles and melting things and cooking many things, then you guys would love my series over on TikTok at Bunny Birdy Gator. That's what I do. I melt things, I cook things, I destroy things, all on a Dollar Tree wax melt burner. These are cute, little fat quarters. The brand is Create It. 18 by 21. Sharks, dinosaurs, llamas, alpacas, pineapples. Ooh, look at the jewels. Jewels and gems, sequins. Tube confetti. I bet this would be really fun to put in slime. It would make it really crunchy. We have pearls, the craft sticks. I should get these for Gator. These are getting harder to find now. Oh, there's more. I could get him more. He would be so happy. I think he really likes it when I find the big ones, and I haven't seen the big ones lately. We have more glitter here, small glitter, and we have glitter glue. Okay, let's throw these in the cart. I have some kind of unusual things in my cart right now. Do you guys want to see what's in my cart? I have these craft sticks, a little memory game, contact lens case for Birdy, and a little toy bathtub. Yeah. Another exciting day at Dollar Tree. These are beautiful. Aren't these pretty? And they have the matching napkins. Okay, we have tons of shirts over here, and some of them are actually long sleeve, and they're by Hanes, you guys. Look at that. Wow, these feel really nice. I'm definitely gonna have to remember to look through these. Oh, these are new. Also these. All of these socks are brand new. Beverly Hills Polo Club is the brand. Not to be confused with Ralph Lauren. Same kind of logo though. We have tons of hair supplies. I feel like some of these baby bows have been added since last week. The Cheshire Cat Scoonsy ponytailers. I was asking you guys, and in my last video, you guys were like, yeah, that's definitely Cheshire Cat. And yes, that's what I was looking for. We have some cute metal clips. Those are really cute. So many cute hair accessories, barrettes. We have shiny, velvety. We have like see-through and silky. This looks like a 70s print, doesn't it? Look at these colors. We have furry. We have tie-dye. All sorts of hair accessories, silky, the claws, the head wraps. Let's see if we have anything new over here for back to school. The journals are really cute this year. The professional journals. Oh, this is my first time seeing these. We have brown. We have sort of a charcoal color. We have our little notebooks that open like this. Folders. This one looks kind of cute. London. I don't know if they're all different or what. Let's see. LA. We have one that's LA, Los Angeles. I love Los Angeles. California. Surf California. Hollywood. Those are cute. Here is our big wall of pens. Now I think these are new. Roller balls. I think these are the ones I normally get for my husband. I don't know though, the cap. The lid looks a little different. Now I'm wondering if they changed it. I think these are the ones. I don't remember this though. Ooh, the soft scripts are so cute. The Ticonderoga 4 to a box. Unisom Graphite Force 60 count. I think they might have changed the design. I feel like there was a, I don't know, a different cap. I'm gonna get them though. I have a feeling that he might need more pens. Ooh, these are new. Little electronic pencil sharpeners. It feels kind of nice. Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried those. Are they good? Do they sharpen them well, or do they just eat your pencil? I got some of this last time I was here, and I'm glad I did because I only see this one bottle remaining. The glitter glue by Elmer's. We also have the little goes on purple, dries clear. Oh my gosh, and last time I was here, you guys, I got the Premier Protein Blueberry with Oat protein drink. It's like 3 Weight Watchers points. The flavor is really, really nice. So I have to remember to look for more of those because I really liked them. They tasted really good. I think they tasted even better than the peach ones. Black ink and blue ink, the extra smooth Bic pens. And I showed you guys these earlier, but these are the Gelocity Smooth Stick Gel Pens. It writes in a nice fine ink. I wonder if my husband would like these. It's gel though. Let's see if this one was gel. I don't think it is. Rollerball. That's rollerball. I think he likes that style better. Wow, you guys. I've already been filming for like 11 minutes. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at this. Are you serious, you guys? Holy crap, you guys. Look at this. Soft soap. $1. No way. Okay, on that note, you guys, I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna Google how much these go for. I can tell you it costs a lot more than $1. 50 ounces. Yes, please. Good for 800 plus dispenses. Wow. I love it when Dollar Tree has deals like this. Anyways, you guys, that's it for me here in Dollar Tree. I just spotted some fall decor, so come back to my very next video and we will look at fall decor. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.